workflow is mainly segmented into two phases, one upstream and second downstream. Upstream phase is making the product, whereas downstream is purifying the product. So in the upstream starts with cell line development, where a desired cell line or cells are being grown from the flasks or plates, and with the help of media, those cells are grown to the needed density, which are then grown in a large scale in a bioreactor or fermenter under the optimum conditions such as pH or temperature. Once the cells are grown and once the desired product is produced in a fermenter, those cells are harvested and the desired product or the drug or biologic here is filtrated from the harvested product, removing the cells or debris. It is being filtered using various downstream steps such as filtration, chromatography, ultrafiltration, and finally the product, the drug or biologic is lyophilized or made stable and then packed in by fill and finish formulation steps. So these are all the major steps in bioprocessing workflow, and how the bioprocessing workflow is segmented into upstream and downstream operations. To understand the market for bioprocessing, as I mentioned, the market involves various consumables, reagents, or equipment and technologies that are being used across each step of the bioprocessing workflow. So 40% upstream constitutes 40% of the bioprocessing market, and downstream constitute 60% of the market. The upstream is capital intensive, as bioreactors, fermenters are critical in the upstream operations. Of course, because uh, these are not procured each year or annually, though it is capital intensive, it constitutes 40% of the market. Whereas downstream processing, it includes all reagents, consumables, and which are used in every batch of bioprocessing. So as these are recurring consumables being used frequently, regularly within each batch or within each step of bioprocessing workflow, this downstream processing market is comparatively more than the upstream, constituting around 60% of the market.